This week we are continuing to learn about plural nouns. Remember, a plural noun is more than one person, place, or thing. We learned last week that most nouns can be made plural by just adding an S. But we also learned that there are some rules or exceptions. We learned that if a noun ends in S, CH, SH, X, or Z, that you need to add an ES to the end of the noun. This week we are going to learn the final two rules, and today we are going to learn what happens if a noun ends in a Y. So if a noun ends in a consonant and then a Y, remember a consonant is any other letter besides a vowel, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So if it's any other letter followed by a Y, then you would change the Y to an I and add ES. So let's practice. So if we had more than one candy, we see that it's D-Y. D is a consonant. So how could we make that into candies? Good. So we would drop the I and add ES to make candies. Let's try with the word puppy. I see that there's a P and then a Y. A P is a consonant. So how would I spell if I had more than one puppy? Good, so you would drop the Y and add IES to make puppies. Last one, if I had more than one story. Again, I see that R and then a Y. R is a consonant. So if I had more than one story, good, I would have stories. Again, drop the Y and add IES. Now you might be wondering, what do we do if there's a vowel and then a Y? If there's a vowel and then a Y, we would follow the original rule of just adding an S. We do not need to change anything about the noun except for just adding an S. So let's practice with some of those. So if we had more than one monkey, I can see that monkey has an E and then a Y. Remember, an E is a vowel. So how could I make that plural? Good, I would just add an S and make monkeys. So what if I had more than one toy? Remember, a O is a vowel, and then we have a Y. Good, I would just add an S and make toys. And the last one, we've already talked about E is a vowel. So how could I have more than one turkey? Good, turkeys. So remember our rules. If it is a consonant and then a Y, you're going to drop the Y and add IES. If it's a vowel and then a Y, you're going to follow the original rule and just add an S.